3 days out from his meet. Today we're gonna go train at the place where he actually does the race. I'm gonna be riding next to him. I'm gonna try to beat him. I'm gonna try to replicate the other kid's run. The other kid ran at 13:22, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. And he's gonna try to beat me. This is where he runs his cross-country meets on Saturday. On this Saturday is his own meet.
Over there, that's where you fell. On TikTok.
Oh,
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Oh, shit.
Right there. Right over there, you like slipped on mud. You left a whole dent in the ground.
I'm gonna leave a whole dent on the side of your head.
Oh my God.
Oh, I gotta catch you up. Is my camera recording? Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hopefully I don't get it flat. Hear me? I didn't give up, baby. Oh, I didn't give up. I'm coming, boy. I wanted to give up. Look at that sunset, guys. I'm not gonna cheat myself. I'm not gonna cheat myself today. Come on. Coming up on you, boy! Oh, it burns. You got 6 minutes! Yeah. That's all right. This is what we're training for. So you get better. What happened? Over there. Here, take this with you. Take this with you. Don't stop, okay? It's gonna get your time. It's you against yourself. All right, you gotta push your own self, all right? You hear me? Come on, you got this. Go. God, this shit burns, people. This boy's got that dog in him. I didn't want to come today, so I asked him, "Do you want to go today?" He said, "Yeah, I want to go. I want to go get my time on his own." So it makes me so fucking proud. That's what pushes me more. Just watch. He's gonna be up there. Are you ready to push? You better beat me to the end, you hear me? I know, I believe in you, son. I know you believe in you. I'll take off in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna beat you there. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. Don't let me beat you, boy. I'm going. I'm coming around that corner. There's no way you're beating me. There's no way you're beating me to the end. Come on, you boy. Push it. Push. Push. Yeah. Yeah. Jeez. Oh. 30 seconds off your time.
Y'all were too separated and I got scared. So me and Julie drove that way and I was like,
Here.
get in the car.
Go get him.
And he was like, no. He told me no. Can you believe that?
This shit is hard to ride in this dirt. Don't stop, all the way over here. Caleb better not beat you, let's go. Gilbert, don't stop, let's go, you got this, go. Push, push. Go, book it. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Good job.
As soon as he started walking, his milk kicked in.
That's good. Here, proud of you. Way to push yourself. Alright, let's go. That was probably one of the hardest bike rides I've ever been on. And I've been on farther and longer and more steep. I don't know what the hell it was. I'm just glad I didn't give up. Thank you God for another day.